this is Ronnie. I'm in Jenna's kitchen. I'm going to cook some chicken wings. Okay, I got some chicken wings out here. They've been cleaned. Now I'm going to season them. Okay, now I'm going to season these things here. So let's season them. Okay, flip them over. I'm going to season the other side of them. You can use any kind of seasoning you want. I just chose this right here. Got my Ninja going here. She's ready. I got it preheated. She's ready to see what's this. Add food. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add the food to it. Yeah, I added the food to it. I know they're a little tight, but that's just where it's going to be. Okay, put this second down. Started cooking. Now after half of 13, which is 6.5 minutes, I'm going to lift the lid up, turn them over, and finish cooking them. Okay, it's been half the time. I'm going to flip them over. Another 6 minutes, 30 seconds. No, not 12. Yeah, I originally cooked it 6.5 minutes on each side, and I realized it should have been 10 minutes.